Acting Pasay City Mayor Alan Paniligan today warned supporters of suspended Mayor Piwi Trinidad and suspended Vice Mayor Tony Calixto to remain calm and not resort to violence. Panaligan issued this warning after supporters of Trinidad and Calixto trooped to the Pasay City Hall to hold a rally calling for reinstatement of the two suspended city officials.
May tamang panahon, may tamang lugar upang gawin ang inyong pagkilos, upang ipaalam sa bayan ang inyong nararamdaman. Huwag po rito sa ating lungsod o sa City Hall ng lungsod ng Pasay.
Panaligan denies the accusation of suspended officials that they have a great connections with the DILG and the Ombudsman.
Unfair naman po sa Ombudsman para sabihin po yan sapagkat sino ba naman po kami? Kami lingkod lang ang bayan. Ngunit ang Ombudsman ay isang sangay na buong Pilipinas na mga naglilingkod sa bayan na kanyang hinahawakan. Sino naman po kami para gawin po yon?
However, Trinidad Camp claimed Panaligan is like a fortune teller that can predict the outcome of the decision of the Ombudsman.
Magagaling itong mga kalaban namin, may para bang sila na ang ombudsman at nangyayari yung mga sinasabi nila, no? Parang nauutusan nila o magaling silang manguhula. Connections with the powers of the
Kami po ay lumalaban dun po lang sa rule of law.
It would be recalled that the Office of the Ombudsman issued a 6-month preventive suspension order last August 25, 2006 against Trinidad, Calixto, and Pasay City councilors for their involvement in allegedly anomalous garbage collection and disposal contracts in 2004 and 2005 worth 464.6 million pesos. Meanwhile, lawyers Attorney Dave Machica and Attorney Rene Sagisag addressed a letter to Interior Secretary Ronaldo Puno contended that the recent order of the Ombudsman in effect terminates the preventive suspension of their clients.
Immediately ordering the temporary appointees in the city government of Pasay temporarily replacing our clients to immediately vacate their respective offices, immediately reinstating our clients and all other respondents, public officers in said case to their respective offices.
However, police prevented Trinidad and his supporters from forcing their way inside the building. And that was the latest update coming here live at Pasay City Hall. This is Ernest Cubol reporting.